Hey guys, today we're going to do 9.9, okay? And what we're going to do today is we're going to work with a number line. So you can have this worksheet, and then I'm also going to draw a number line here on my whiteboard, and I got some counters to kind of help us so that way this will match this. But on a number line, you're going to go ahead and draw a straight line all the way across your paper, and then I'm going to put a little line here at the end and then a little line here at this end. So I'm going to turn the camera just a little bit so we can see better. There we go. All right. So, and then the cool thing is about a number line, it's numbers on a line. It's that easy. So I'm going to have the number 0 right here. And then here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. So we have a number line here and we have a number line here. Okay, so what we're going to do is on the first one, it says color each set on the number path and then write the total. Well, so we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to color all the way up to 6. So I have my little marker here and I'm just going to put little dashes just so you guys can see it real quick. So I colored up to 6. All right, well, now we need 4 more. It looks like we need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get a different color. That way you guys can see it. And I'm going to color 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I stop at? I stopped at the number 10. So on this line right here, I'm going to write the number 10, a 1 and a 0. Okay, you can do the same thing over here on this number line. So we had 6 to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, I am going to go ahead and go jump. I'm going to start at 0 and I'm going to jump all the way to 6. 6 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to stop there because that's how many it shows. And look, I have 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 counters. Okay, now it says on here, it shows that we need 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get 4 more counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's my 4 counters. Now, I still need to jump 4 more on my number line. So I'm going to jump 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I stopped at 10 again. Okay, so I stopped at 10. Let me count my counters just to make sure that I have 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we know that these 2 sets make 10. And when we have 2 sets like that, if you guys did this just for fun, 6 plus 4 equals 10. So that matches this one. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go to this one here. What I want you to do is I'm going to give you a few seconds. I want you to count how many you have here. Color it here, okay? Then count how many you have here and color it on your number line. And go ahead and write me what number you stop at. And then we're going to do it all together. So go ahead and do that while I erase this. And that'll give you some time to practice that. Go ahead. All right, guys, I hope that gave you enough time. Okay, so now we're going to look at how many objects we have first. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 crabs. So I'm going to go ahead and color 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. All right, now we have 3 bats. So now I'm going to color 3 bats. I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I almost did 4. Uh-oh, good thing I stopped myself. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I stopped at the number 6. So on this line here, I'm going to write the number 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. All right, so you can see that we had 6 here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so now we're going to come to this number line and let's do it on this number line. All right, it said 3 first, 3 crabs, right? So I'm just going to get 1, 2, 3 counters. Okay, then it said 3 bats. So now I'm going to get 3 more counters. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully that's 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. Good. So now we're going to put it on our number line. So I'm going to start at 0 again, and I'm going to jump 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we needed 3 more, so I'm going to jump 3 again. 1, 2, 3. So we stopped at the number 6, didn't we? Now, if we did it as a number sentence, or a math sentence, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Good job, guys. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do this one here. So I want you to practice this one while I clean off my board and get ready. So that'll give you some time. Go ahead. All right, guys, I hope that gave you some good time. Okay, let's go ahead and count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the first set. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to do 4 in the first set. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now I have 1, 2, 3 in my second set. So I'm going to go ahead and get my marker and do 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And that I stop at 7. So on my line, I'm going to write a 7. And that slide to the right. If it'll not move, slide to the right and slant on down. Look, my Yoshi socks work perfectly to make the paper not move. All right, so now we have 7. So we can even count and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's come over here and let's get our counters. Okay, it said 4 the first time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The second one said 3. So we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's count to see if that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good, that is 7. But let's go ahead and put it on our number line, okay? So I'm going to get my marker. And the first set was 4. So I'm going to start at 0 and jump 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the second set said 3. So I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. I stopped at 7. And if we write it as a math sentence, it would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. All right, guys, good job on that one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the very last one. I'm going to erase my board. You have time to work on this while I get this ready to go. So go ahead. All right, guys, I hope that was enough time. So let's go ahead and look at our first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to color in 7 on these ones. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we need on our second set 1, 2. So now I'm going to color 2 more for our second set. 1, 2. All right, so let's see. What number did we stop at? We stopped at 9. So on this line, we need to write the number 9. And that is make a 0 and come, or make a circle and come straight down, right? So I made a 9. So let's count them all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So we should have 9 here. Let's go ahead and do it with our not tens frame. Sorry, guys. Our number line. So our first set said 7. So let's get 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Our second set had 2. So let's get 2 more. 1, 2. Let's count it all together just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. So let's do it on our number line. All right, our first set said 7, so I'm going to start at 0 and jump 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, our second set said 2, so we're going to jump 2 more. 1, 2. And we stopped at the number 9. Good. So now if we wrote it as a math sentence, it would be 7 plus 2 equals 9. So you guys did really well on that, and I hope you had fun. Tomorrow we're going to do a little bit something different, but I hope you can remember how to use a number line. It's a new strategy that you guys can use to help you with your adding, okay? So if that works for you, do it. If not, use your fingers. Use counters. Do what you know how to do. See you later, guys. Bye.